giant shade turn.
Take this fork out.
No, even if it's about
Haley,
We should start doing that any car that goes by. We should just go. We're not
Go
keeping
inside,
it for long. Not that way.
Alright. What is it?
half a hamburger. I don't want it.
Okay, me and
We're waiting for Mom to come back. She's supposed to have gravy and stuff.
Yeah, but I'm not getting the wrench.
Lori already came back. Lori already came back. That's what I was trying to say before the fireworks interrupted me.
Yeah, we got a wrench.
Wow, look at this hamburger. It's got onions.
Kinda. I'm sorry, Lisa. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Things will get better. Oh, just poop.
Grease or something.
I hope you feel better. I hope you get better.
Bye. Oh, hi.
He wants to leave.
Well, I ain't paying attention. I'm recording this.
Is it just me, or is it every time there's a big car and there's a lot of people, you just want to throw a banana peel in front of the cars? Stick up. No, I'm not eating that part. If you want the bread part. No. Oh! I usually eat all the part, but no, it's crazy. If you're in there, can you give me some gravy?
You know what is really disturbing? That we talk about all things.
Disturbing.
Well, yeah. We should talk about all things about Jane. As you said.
It's like this big. It's like this big. You see this big? It's so big. I like how you guys get along no matter what.
I know, right? Unless he
Reggie
takes my
don't.
phone.
Yep.
Then he's dead to me.
Hopefully,
I'm gonna throw you out there out of the truck bed, and I'm gonna throw you to Mom, and I'm gonna, even if you hit the brick wall, I'm gonna say, hey, get me some gravy.
hopefully you guys can come over sometime.
I'm gonna be stuck in the truck, in the back of the truck. So you're gonna take me home. Levi, since you're over there, can you go to Mom for gravy? Mom? Here, I'll hold your phone and make sure it's still recording.
No. Leave it, don't do it.
No,
I'm gonna take it and never give it.
no, I swear I won't. I think you promise.
Hey, Mom.
I was
Can you ask Lori if she's got the gravy for Sage and Xander?
Or just at least me. Like, mostly me. Yeah, I don't eat gravy that well.
What?
Just gravy.
Ask if Lori's got the gravy for Xander and Sage. That's what they're wondering.
Hey. Rebecca. I saw this movie. My car. It's called The Heat. It's really pretty. It's just
What
called
is the best lunch?
gravy. Mom said she'd get some gravy.
Dude, she's over there.
Well, yeah.
Well, I'm sure she does by now.
Did she ask if she can get it?
You can go ask her.
My legs are still. I can't even.
Well, then too bad.
You'll be fine. I like the bro. Hold knife. If you eat a bit, I'm killing you. Like, I'm not even. I'm not even joking. Yeah, I'm not even joking.
Like, say what you want, but Leave as a secret agent. He told me in the casino. I'm like, I play GTA. I know how to get away from secret agents.
You got a very good secret one then. Oh gosh, I can't get out. It's so cool. Like, I know you're gonna help me.
No, Becca's
Go USA.
That's you. Oh, we did this little tank thing, and I was Russia and he was USA. I shot
Like, you know
him.
the tanks?
I shot him in the
Fireworks.
face,
Yeah, she shot me.
and then we
What
both
did you-
exploded.
And
And we
then I
both
used-
exploded.
And then I used firecrackers and I blew her tank up. And I said,
I did the
die,
same to
US.
you. No, you were US. I was Russia.
I said, die, Russia.
I said die US to him. Don't freaking judge me.
Wow, that one was so big it went out of the screen. Hey,
Don't
that
freaking
one was
judge
so
me.
big it went out of the screen.
I judge me. I don't judge
Put
You know,
a banana
When I
in
think,
your
have you ever heard that song 1,000 Years?
No, but she's heard put a banana in your ear.
I have heard Done. It's a really good song.
Well, every time I think of 1,000 years, it goes, I have loved you for 1,000 years. I'll love you for 1,000 more. I think of you. And I'm like, if I could have, I would have loved you for all that time, but I wasn't born
Hey,
yet.
Becca, give me my tray. That's it. Don't ever touch it, or I'll kill you.
Sorry.
No, I really need it. I won't kill you this time.
Levi was looking at me murderously earlier. But yeah.
Yeah. Hold the switch.
Wait,
Excuse me.
that's what Mountain Dew. Wait, you got our cups?
Your mom got it for me.
No. Oh, theirs is gone. Theirs is gone. It's the same thing as you. I have Mountain Dew.
I have ice right now.
Why are me and Xander so disturbing?
I don't know.
If you want to drink, you can have one.
It's okay.
It's the same thing.
I know, but
Mountain Dew.
it's okay. I don't need a drink right now.
A banana in
It's now or never you're getting this. Trust me. Because I'm going to drink it all.
Xander said he was saying that every time a car passes.
pew pew.
You
Bam!
I say we yell out something crazy next time a car passes.
Oh, yeah.
Don't you?
Like,
Give me a bag.
No! That's a ketchup bag!
some fell out.
Yarr! I'm into all the ketchups. That's what I eat. If I have nothing else to eat, I'll eat ketchup. I love ketchup so much.
Are you videotaping?
Yep.
He's videotaping.
You've been videotaping the whole time?
No, only for 7 minutes and 20 seconds.
Would you like ketchup?
Nah, it's okay. I'm pretty full.
I am still really
Actually, I got a little bit of the first half.
I got my mom recording it. She does every year.
Really?
She recorded from the first firework to the last firework.
I'm so smart. I want to
Xander, I'm gonna have a seizure.
Yay!
Don't freaking judge me.
Xander, I was telling Levi that he should read my new story, and he
Hey, you want to know something?
What you know?
Once I'm done with this video, I'm probably going to post it on YouTube.
You have a YouTube channel?
Yes.
I do too.
And people are probably going to hear everything you guys are saying.
Uh-oh.
And those big booms.
The secret's gonna...
You can't even see it.
I'm trying to get a YouTube channel.
What?
I'm trying to get a YouTube channel.
Oh, it's simple.
Oh, I already had a YouTube channel, but I actually deleted it, and now we have no internet, so I can't get a new YouTube channel.
Start humor, and then I do that. Like, no, that's not.
Cool.
Yeah, I'm probably going to have them sign into my account. Right now, this is on my, hers account. It's on her account.
Okay.
So right now, I don't have a YouTube channel, but
Okay, one
if-
thing. I kind of lost my YouTube channel by accidentally deleting it, but I didn't have no password for it, and that was where everything else would go.
if you, come over, if you ever come over to our house, then we probably, make a video on Minecraft.
No, I would make my own YouTube channel.
I know, but until you get one, it'd be fun playing Minecraft together.
We're gonna see who is gonna attack us. Oh. I saw you.
So guess what?
What did you eat first?
I'm gonna tell you a secret, but you can't tell anybody.
Okay. It's gonna be a. It's in the back of your truck.
Okay, so
Food.
okay, so one time at XY, right?
Don't want to hit the problem.
Jesse and James dressed up like Ash and Serena, and Meow dressed up like Bonnie. And
Bonnie and Clyde.
no, he wasn't there. Anyways, and so then they did a bunch of bad stuff to make everyone think that it was Ash. We did a bunch of bad stuff to give him a bad reputation and take him to jail and stuff. And it was a great plan, it really was. And their costumes were so good.
Stop killing us!
Put a banana in
Let's see, it's
What
about
are you doing?
that long. I'm about there.
You will never freaking
It's all messed up. But yeah, it's very disturbing. You know?
What? Okay, I think my eardrums are really broken.
What? Am I talking louder than usual?
Also, okay, my next story happens to be very,
Bye.
Okay, what is your next story gonna be on? August Tic Tac.